Hey, what's going on, guys? Just on a quick unboxing for a case that I picked up, the OpenCase. I've been kind of eyeballing this case for quite some time. I'm a big fan of bumpers, also a big fan of leather cases, and also a big fan of camera control, which this all has. So yeah, let's kind of take a look around the box here. You got a message, just kind of talking about the case itself. If you want to read this, you are definitely welcome to read it. One thing though I will say is I got a nice note when I got the case, which was nice. So I really appreciate that. It's a nice little touch. Definitely appreciate it. So let's open the packaging. See what we got. So it's nice packaging. It just pulls like this, like so. Pulls out. Leave that there. And then this is the case here. And then that is pretty much it. I'll put that to the side. I'll put that right there. Get rid of the styrofoam. I'll put that there. So we're all good. So this is the case. Yeah. You have the MagSafe. This is a really nice case. I am very curious to see if a lot of my MagSafe accessories fit. So I think this is leather. You have OpenCase on the side right here. You got your, I feel like plastic buttons. And another button there. I like the fact that this is kind of going to protect my camera bump because apparently the back of these phones scratch really easy. So let's go ahead and put this on. That's it. It's on. Very easy to put on for the most part. I'm trying to brighten this down a little bit. Yeah, so this is it right here. I like this on the back. I can kind of feel on the back, which is really nice. So kind of reminds me, that's weird. Kind of reminds me of, if you remember the iPhone 4 with the bumpers. So this is kind of a bumper, just kind of have the camera protected. Back then we didn't have camera bumps, but today camera bumps are not even called camera bumps anymore. They're called plateaus. But otherwise, what I wanted to do is I wanted to try out a couple of accessories that I use on a day-to-day basis, see how they work. First thing is we're going to try the Apple MagSafe. The right way. Yep, works really good. Now I was trying to find my Apple wallet, but I'm not sure where it is. This is a battery pack from Anchor. Doesn't fit. Yeah, so I figured, you know what? It's charging though. It is charging, so it kind of fits, but it kind of pops out a little bit there. So I guess it kind of fits. And the last thing is my wallet. This is the wallet I use all the time. And does not fit. So the oops, it kind of pops out a little bit there. Yeah. You know what? Maybe it does fit. Let me see. So I'll put it in like this. Yeah, it's just a slight. You can see that it's slightly a little bit too big. So they do make their own, except, oh, I'll take that back. No, it does fit. Hold on. No, it doesn't fit. It kind of pops out a little bit, but you can kind of slide it in. It's in there, but I guess that works. Yeah, that works. But yeah, this is the OpenCase. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. Otherwise, look forward to a full review. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.